linear equations with constant coefficients, real roots. So here we have real and distinct roots. Y equals to c sub 1e raised to m1x, m sub 1x plus c sub 2e raised to m sub 2x plus so on plus c sub n e raised to m sub nx. And we have here real and repeated roots as y equals to c sub 1 e raised to bx plus c sub 2 x e raised to bx plus so on plus c sub n x raised to n minus 1 e raised to bx. So here, to further explain, I will give an example. So here we have an equation of d raised to 4 minus 7d cubed plus 18d squared minus 20d plus 8. And then we have multiplied by y equal to 0. So here, we just convert it to auxiliary. Papalitan lang natin lahat ng d ng m. So magiging m raised to 4 minus 7m cubed plus 18m squared minus 20m plus 8. So, meron tayong ditong p over q as our formula. Ang p natin dyan is si 8 and then our q is si m. So, sa p natin, we have 8. So, meron siyang multiples na plus minus positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 4, positive negative 8 over positive negative 1, which is the multiples of m raised to 4. So dito trial and error siya, but let's use 1 sa i-input natin sa long division. So here we have 1 and then gagamitin natin is yung buong equation as 1 tsaka si negative 7, 18 and then negative 20 and then 8. And then, ang gagawin natin is bring down natin si 1. After natin bring down si 1, 1 times 1 equals to 1. Then, negative 7 plus 1 equals to negative 6. And then, negative 6 multiplied by 1 equals to negative 6. So, 18 plus negative 6 is equals to 12. So, 12 times 1 is equals to 12. And then, negative 20 plus 12 is equals to negative 8. So, negative 8 times 1 equals to negative 8. So, 8 plus negative 8 is equals to 0. So, here, meron na tayong roots na m sub 1 is equals to 1. So, let's do another equation. Another equation natin is m cubed minus 6m squared plus 12m minus 8 equals to 0. Nag-minus siya. Always nagma-minus yun after ka mag-long division. Makita nyo, di ba kanina m raised to 4, ngayon m raised to cube minus 6m squared plus 12m minus 8 equals to 0 na. So, ito naman ulit, gagawa ulit tayo ng long division for this one to find the roots. So here we have p over q. Ang q natin is m cube and then ang p natin is si 8. So hanapin ulit natin ng multiples ng 8. So we have here as multiples ng 8, same lang dun sa nauna. We have positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 4, positive negative 8 over positive negative 1. But here, let's try to use 2. Positive 2 sa long division natin. So again, kung hanapin lang natin to mga coefficient nila as 1, negative 6, 12, negative 8 divided by 2. So, gagawin natin, bring down 1 ulit times 2 tapos pala equals to 2 plus negative 6 plus 2 equals to negative 4. So, negative 4 times 2 equals to negative 8. So, pag pinag-plus natin si 12 tsaka si negative 8, magiging 4. So, 4 times 2, we have 8. So, negative 8 plus 8 is equals to 0. So, here, magkakaroon tayo ng m sub 2 is equals to 2. After that, we have another equation. M squared minus 4m plus 4 is equals to 0. Nag-minus na naman siya. Kanina, m cubed na yan. So, ngayon, expand na lang natin siya. Pwede na natin makuha yung roots as m minus 2 multiplied by m minus 2 equals to 0. So, pag nilabas natin yan parehas, our m cube is magiging equals to 2 and then our m sub 3 is equals to 2 and then our m sub 4 is equals to 2. So, here plug na lang natin siya sa y is equals to c sub 1 e raised to 1 times x plus c sub 2 e raised to 2x plus c sub 3 e raised to 2x plus c sub 4 e raised to 2x. So, pag ginano natin yan, sinimplify natin yan, magkakaroon tayo na c sub 1 e raised to 2x plus c sub 2 e raised to 2x plus c sub 3 e raised to 2x plus c sub 4 e raised to 2x. So, pwede natin siyang i-simplify pa. So, how are we going to simplify this second to the last solution? So, makita nyo, si c sub 2 e raised to 2x plus si c sub 3 e raised to 2x plus si c sub 4 e raised to 2x ay may pare-parehas na e raised to 2x. So, ang gagawin natin, ilalabas na lang natin siya. So, ang magiging final answer na natin dyan is c sub 1 e raised to x plus c sub 2 plus c sub 3 plus c sub 4x multiplied by e raised to 2x. So, that will be our final answer. Thank you.